Welcome! If you're a Pinterest fan and want to stay updated with the latest trends, turning on in-app notifications for popular pins is a must. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure you never miss out on what's hot and happening on Pinterest. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we're about to explore. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping the small profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the very top. Give it a tap to open up your account settings and options. Now, scroll until you find the option labeled Notification. Tap on it to enter your notification settings. This is where you can customize what Pinterest keeps you informed about, so you only get updates that matter most to you. Under the section called Pin Picks, you'll see an option for popular pins. This is the feature that will keep you in the loop whenever there's a pin trending in your areas of interest. Tap on Popular Pins to open its settings. Here's the key step. Look for the toggle switch next to In-App. Slide it to the right to turn it on. Once enabled, Pinterest will send you notifications directly within the app whenever a pin starts gaining traction and becomes popular in your feed. That's it. You've successfully set up in-app notifications for popular pins. Now, whenever something big is happening in your favorite categories, you'll be among the first to know. This is a great way to discover new ideas, stay inspired, and make sure you never miss a trend. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!